how to get geometry dash on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you get geometry dash on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open App Store on your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the App Store, in the search field you'll have to search for geometry dash. Alright, so after you made the search from App Store on geometry dash, you will get such interface. So from here you can get geometry dash lite, or you can also find the normal geometry dash. So the geometry dash lite is now free, and another one geometry dash normal is paid, so you can choose anyone from here. So simply, if you want to download geometry dash normal, you have to pay for it, and if you want to download geometry dash lite, you can easily get this app by tapping on this option get. So here is the process. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.